Alright guys, so today we have another awesome package for the GR Corolla. So it is actually from Extreme Online Store, and it is going to be more additions to these vents right here. So let's take a look at what these look like. Alright, so opening these up. We have two of them, obviously. Look at how nice these look. And they even have like a little mesh back here to help things not go through. I don't know if the stock ones actually do. And I believe there's a whole thing on the 23, 24 GR Corollas where some of these are blocked and some of them aren't. I think it was the 23s had them blocked, the 24s did not. Or it was vice versa, and the circuit models had it and the other ones did not. But let me know down below what you know about that, and I'm going to take a look at how mine are. But these look like they're attached by one screw and a few clips. Or two screws and two clips. Alright, let's open up this next one. Just as nice looking as the first one. Let's go compare it to the ones on the car now. You can see the piano black one right there. And then the carbon fiber one going on right there. These are actually going to look really good and go really good with the rest of the carbon fiber. You're not going to have to take your whole bumper off in order to get to these, but there will be these three really pain in the ass to get rid of clips. I kind of messed mine up just a little bit. I'm gonna try to smooth those out with a file so I can put it back, but they're so tiny and I could not get a tool under there to pop this up without bending them. So, but anyways, there was one here, here, and here. Once you pop those out, then there'll be this other clip that you just kind of have to pry the bumper away or push this in. It just kind of snaps around part of the bumper, and then I took off two of the 10 millimeters under here, and then once you do that, you can pull this whole thing away and then get access to the ducts. And then there's two Phillips screws. You can see one right up at the top, and then there's another one down towards the bottom. I'm going to take those out, and then we can push on those clips and push those out and then get the new one in. I guess this duct will fall out, so just be careful with that. Alright, one screw out. Second screw out. And it's popped out. So mine doesn't have those covers on here, so not sure if it was supposed to or not, but it's not on this one. So but once you get the two screws out here and here, then you'll have to bend these tabs in on two of them and the other tabs over hooks, so you just have to kind of bend them out, and then this will push right out. So let's grab the new one. Looking at them, I mean, everything looks identical, so we're just going to pretty much reverse what we did. You can see all the screw holes match up and the clips also match up, so we're going to pop this in and then put the two screws in, and then this side will be done. But first we got to clean this up. I just got this one screwed in, clipped, pretty much everything's all in. It looks amazing, so I still got to put the whole bumper back together and put the duct back in there, but I think it looks really good. Comment down below what you guys think, if the carbon fiber is the way to go, or if you prefer the piano black. Alright, so I just got the first one done, and it was actually took way longer than I anticipated, but it is looking really good, and I do like the diamond mesh back there. I think it adds a little touch that the factory one obviously did not have, and it's a little more protective. So let's speed run through the other one and get that one done, and then wrap this video up. So something to note when you're doing this yourself, there's obviously a vent here that goes from here to the fender. This thing literally just floats inside of here, so there's actually probably like a 1/2 inch wiggle room. So when you do this, I recommend you feed it into that grill first, or that opening, and then wrap it around the mesh over there. Otherwise, if you try to put it on there, it'll just keep falling off on you because it just sits. So these things came out looking amazing. I honestly think that they are a amazing addition to this car with all the other carbon fiber goodies that are on here. I mean, Extreme Online Store kills it with their quality as well as their fitment. I would say their fitment was probably like a 9 out of 10. I wish it was a little bit tighter fit when I snapped it in before I put the screws in, but other than that, I mean, it is amazing. So if you guys want to pick up your own set, I will be putting links down below to all of this. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.